Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing our September BOXYCHARM unboxing and of course trying everything on the face and giving you full first impressions and review. I have my good camera lens. It's like all zoomed in and good quality, so hopefully this will be like a really good test of the products and you guys are going to be able to see everything okay. Please thumbs up this video and hit subscribe to watch more things, fashion, makeup, vlogs, all of the like. And we're going to get into it, but first, this is a sponsored video by Dossier Perfume, one of my favorite perfume brands, and for those of you who are new subscribers, you don't know this, but I don't do sponsorships unless I really like the company, so I want to talk about them for a couple of minutes. So basically, I've got a couple of my new perfumes here. What this company is they sell dupes of designer brand perfumes. And they're all $30. And what they do is they send you in your box the info card and then the full size and a sample. So what you do is you use the sample first, naturally, test it out, and if you don't like it, you send it back and you don't get charged. If you do like it, you keep it and you get charged $30. So I've been using these perfumes and using this perfume brand for at least a year now. It's the only brand of perfume that I even use or wear anymore. So this scent is Floral 1 and it's honestly probably my favorite one. It says apple, lemon, bluebell, bamboo, jasmine. Basically, it's like a citrus scent. I'm huge into citrusy scents. So there's the sample and then this is the full size. Now, basically, they're able to save you money by paring down their packaging, which for me is great. I think that this looks sleek and perfect to have in a perfume collection. I don't like my perfumes to look super cheesy and girly and stuff like that. I feel like it makes it look cheap. So I feel like they look nice and sleek. This is what the top looks like. It's just a regular spray and it's got a nice stopper in the lid. And I just feel like they look good anywhere. You don't have to worry about what these are going to look like in your collection. And where'd my other one go? This other one's a little bit different. So this is Floral 3, which is inspired by Chanel No. 5, which it says on the card. And this one is more of a mature, flowery scent. I sprayed this a minute ago because my camera stopped rolling on me, so I'm not going to spray it again because now you guys can smell it through the camera. But it's more of a mature floral scent, more of a sweet scent, where the other one, Floral 1, is more of a citrusy, I don't want to say spicy, but that sour citrusy smell, which is what I prefer. So yeah, these are the ones that I decided to get for this month. I genuinely love this brand. I stand by them 100%, and I like that you're getting full size, but you also have the trial period because you get to try out the mini one, and if you don't like it, send it back and try a different one. Obviously, you can't send it back open. You don't open the big one until you know you want to keep it. You know what I mean? But that's just common sense. I also have a discount code to get 10% off your entire order. I'm going to leave that link down below. I think it's Kelsey A10 or something, but I could totally be wrong because I suck. So I'm going to leave that linked down below for you guys. I will also link the ones that I got in case you want to try them. If you like citrus, you're really going to want to try Floral 1. But yeah, they are a very amazing brand, good customer service, just good all around. I genuinely do recommend them, and I thank them for sponsoring this video. So now we're going to go ahead and get into our BOXYCHARM unboxing. Let's see. So the first real thing that we're going to be doing is the eyes, because there's an eyeshadow palette and there's also eyeshadow brushes. So let's talk about the palette first. Okay, this is the Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette for $30. We pay $25 for the box. Majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take a look to the next level with dramatic reds, oranges, and the purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, and oh, that's really pretty package, huh? That's actually really pretty. It's got a mirror on the inside. And these are the shades. They're actually really pretty. I like it because when you look at it, you're like, ooh, this is a fun palette. But then when you look a little bit deeper, the colors are not so outrageous that it can't be wearable. It can definitely be wearable. It's muted down mauves, purples, and a couple of neutrals thrown in. This is aesthetically pleasing to look at. Okay. The brushes are Luna Magic Blend It Girl 4-piece blush set for $18. Cruelty free. And it completes all the essential brushes for you to complete your glamorous eye look. Okay, I like that. I like a brush set that tells you you can complete any eye look with it, especially for BOXYCHARM, because you guys know I always only use the brushes that they give us, so that if you guys want to recreate the look, you can get the same exact look. Ooh, okay. I've never heard of this brand before, Luna Magic, but I already like them because look at this. Like, look at their colored brushes. They look like paint brushes. I love that already. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. The hairs are slightly shiny on the sides. They feel nice and soft, and they are ombre. Super soft, actually. This looks like a highlighter brush, TBH. I would not use this on my eye. That's a little large. We've got a smaller, dense, flat brush, a blending fluffy brush, and then a dense brush that I would usually use to do the underliner or the top liner. I'm so not a beauty guru. Okay, so let's just jump into it. I'm going to start with the Fluffer Fluff, and there's a lot of colors to choose from here for a transition shade. If you're a lighter skin, maybe a more medium skin tone, a darker skin tone, you could use this. You could also use that on a lighter skin tone depending on what color you're going for, and then you can always mix them together. I think I'm going to start with this one, which is called Sandstone, and I'm going to use the mirror on the back end. Look at how much pigment comes off on the brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this kind of matches my skin tone, so I'm actually just going to apply it all over the lid. It has a little bit of an orange hue in the palette, but when I put it on my eye, it just matches my skin, so I'm just going to kind of use it to cover up my veins. It is extremely, extremely soft. Like, so soft on the eye. It feels so good. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of Maize, which is more of an orange, and I'm going to concentrate that towards the outer corner. I'm just winging this. You guys know in my BOXYCHARM videos, I just wing it and just decide as I go what kind of look I want to do, because I like it to be a real first impressions. This is extremely soft pigment. It's like the first thing that I'm noticing. Like, it just feels so buttery soft on the eye, and the brush is pretty soft as well. Oh, it just feels so good. Now I'm going to go in with Grounded, which is this darker, more of a true orange. Oh my gosh, do you see that pigment? Oh my gosh. And it's blending out literally like butter. Oh my gosh, this is unreal. Wait. I hope that my reactions come across as genuine because they are genuine. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. I'm kind of known on YouTube for being like really sucky at blending eyeshadow, and these are so easy to blend out, so they take all of the guesswork out. And that's what I'm saying, like, don't blame me, blame the eyeshadow, because clearly there are some brands of eyeshadow that are ridiculously easy to blend, so I don't want to hear it. Guys, I gotta try this in a separate video. What do you think? Because I already like can't do that with this look, but that light purple, let me know if you want to see a separate tutorial. Oh my gosh, the purples are beautiful. Okay, anyways. I'm going to take Majesty, which is a dark magenta. I'm literally just going in here with like random colors. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, you know what I'm actually going to do? Is take the more dense brush. Oh, the pigment. Stop. Oh my god, look. Look. Oh, my eyelash is hanging by a thread. Look at how beautiful that is. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wow. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, actually, like, wow. And I just happened, like, I put no thought into this, but the colors I'm choosing happen to look so good next to each other. Wow. I'm going to take that magenta and do the lower lash line as well, just the outer part of it. My crossed eyes, I'm sure they're going crossed. Guys. Oh my god. Oh. I feel like I look like a ballerina makeup. Combined with like the way that I have my hair in a bun today. Wow. Something about this is making me like low-key emotional, which is kind of disturbing. I'm going to take the other side of this brush and I'm going to put... Oh, my sorry choice. I'm going to put Wanderlust on the inner lid. Good choice, good choice. It's like a... Oh my gosh, it's like a muted bubblegum pink, but like very muted. Wait, this is not real right now. I like somehow accidentally came up with the prettiest eyeshadow combination in all the land. Guys, look. And then, I mean, go over and blend again because I do suck. Okay. Make sure everything is still recording because I also suck at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I feel emotional, which is so pathetic, but okay. Wow. And then this is a gorgeous color down here that I want to use at some point as well. So I'm definitely going to do some separate videos with this. Let me know what you want to see. I want to do the purple, and maybe I could use this in the same look as the purple. Whoa, what brand is this again? I don't think we've ever gotten this before. Hip Pot. No, we've never gotten this before. I'm in love with this. I'm like, oh my gosh, wow. I'm going to have to look up and see what other palettes they make because this is like absolutely stunning. Like I'm like almost freaked out by it. And I put like no effort into that, and the colors are beautiful. So I'm in love with that. And I love these brushes, and I love the colors of the brushes. Okay, so what's next? Oh, there's a Huda Beauty Life Liner Duo Pencil and Liquid Liner. $25. Dual-ended eyeliner with a liquid tip on one side and a pencil on the other. Waterproof and smudge-proof. Oh my god, first of all, I hate the packaging this comes in with a burning passion. It's like plastic. Like the kind of plastic that hurts your fingers. I almost wish this was a lipstick, because like that just doesn't that look like a really pretty lipstick color? Almost like what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a lip liner and a Gerard Cosmetics bullet lipstick. I'll have to leave the name of it down below. Which one's an eye? This one, this side's glittery gold. Oh, that looks like a little brush. And then this side's more of a matte nude. And that's got a doe foot. Do I even want to use this? This is really pretty. Actually looks like you could put this on your lips. It's not a lipstick. This is not a lipstick. Oh my god, it's so pretty though. Oh well. Ah, well, love that. And that would actually be really pretty on the eyes as well, but I don't want to ruin my beautiful eye look. And then we have a brush with some beautiful, beautiful golden peachy glitter. But again, I don't want to ruin my beautiful eye look. Ooh, that's really pretty though, eh? That's very pretty. It just doesn't go with the look that I already did. So I love this. I love what I just put on my lip, and I can tell that would obviously make like a really pretty matte eyeshadow color as well. But I'm definitely going to use this on my lips because I'm always trying to find a good peachy nude lipstick that's not too peachy. And if it got to be eyeshadow, it got to be eyeshadow. Wow. Okay, so we have two more things. We have... Oh... This was a matte and metal melted eyeshadow. And this is the Huda Beauty Liner Duo and Liquid Liner. Oh, okay. And very Vanta. I was confused. Didn't realize we had two Huda Beauty products. So this is the... Okay, liquid eyeliner on one side. I got you. And... like waterline liner on the other side. Hold Oh, I like the waterline liner. I'm not going to try the liquid one just because I have lash extensions on, but I really do trust Huda Beauty to be a quality brand, so I'm sure it's great. And it would look really good right now, but I can't ruin my eyeliner extensions. So I'm like extremely, extremely happy, but let me get through this last product first. This is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. Super hydrating, vitamin C rich, brightens and reduces the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. $45. So we're at 45, 50, 60, 75, 80, 90, 100, 125, 135, 142, somewhere around there. I want to smell this. I'm in a trance here today. I don't know. I'm like, oh, look how cute that is. Little package. I love me some eye cream. Oh, it's pink. Oh, there's not really a scent. It's like a very, very subtle baby pink, and I just got it all over my hand, so it's going to become a hand cream for a minute. Very, very subtle, thick but not too thick consistency. No, there's like no scent at all. Not greasy at all. Love that. Okay. I am extremely, extremely impressed with this month's box. This is the best box, in my opinion, that we've had in like 2 years. I'm not kidding. In love with this thing. And I know that I'm going to like and use this eyeliner whenever I don't have eyelashes on. Absolutely love these brushes. And the palette literally blows the entire box out of the water. And then this is great. I love a good hydrating eye cream that I would never spend money on by myself. So I am like overtly happy and pleased with this month's box. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what the variations are because I never have time to like look or watch other people's videos anymore because I'm so busy. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what the variations are and what you like, what you hope you're going to get, wish you're going to get. My boxes have been coming super late. That's why my videos are up late. I'm not slacking. It came 3 days ago. Usually I upload the day of, but I had a long weekend, okay? And I needed to enjoy my weekend because my life has been very stressful lately. I'm going to try to vlog soon, and I'm also going to try to do a fitness try-on video soon, so you should be seeing more of me. But in the meantime, follow my Instagram, Kelsey Alfred, and we'll stay connected there, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, give it a thumbs up for me, hit subscribe, and, whoa, little ugly little flappers. Okay, I'll talk to you guys down below. Bye.